Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and it is time, almost, for another Dearjuliejulie and Cara Brandon Creations collaboration. This time we will be working on the 5 Days of Christmas 2021, and this time it's going to be done a little differently in that we will still be using day one of Dearjuliejulie's image and day one of Cara Brandon's image to make things. But we're only going to do it, instead of doing it 5 days in a row, we're going to do one video a week, every Tuesday beginning November 2nd, for the 5 Tuesdays in November, and we will do a video with our final projects on December 6th. So let me go ahead and run through the digitals that we'll be using. This is Dearjuliejulie's day one and Cara Brandon's day one. And Dearjuliejulie day two. Cara Brandon day two. Dearjuliejulie day three. Looks like I've got that upside down. Let's flip it around. Cara Brandon day three. Got Julie's upside down again. Dearjuliejulie day four. Cara Brandon day four. Dearjuliejulie day five. And Cara Brandon day five. So, like we've done previously, these are the day five images. So we'll be using these images from Dearjuliejulie and these images from Cara Brandon and combining them to create things. Okay? Now, in addition to the 5 Days of Christmas kits, Dearjuliejulie's images are in her Etsy shop. Cara's are in her Etsy shop. I will have the links listed below to the kits in their Etsy shops. But we also have, Cara Brandon has done an additional kit. It's called Rustic Christmas, to go along with her 5 Days of Christmas collab kit. And her kit, I'm going to flip through it while I'm talking. Her kit is 17 pages. Again, it's called Rustic Christmas. And please don't pay attention to some of the print quality on some of the pages. I was printing so much that my printer started getting angry with me. Cara's kits are currently, these kits are currently on sale in Cara's shop for, I believe it's 50% off. So while they are, run over and grab your kits. Can't remember now if I've already said it's 17 pages in total. Gorgeous kit. Love these background papers. And here she did sort of a mini journal kit, but you could use it either as a mini journal or cut them out to be postcards or journaling cards, whatever you wanted to do with them. I love this background page. I absolutely love that background page. And this one as well with the poinsettias. Okay. Then we have the ephemera, and this is really where my printer started messing up. So we've got tags, buttons. I've not done it yet because my prints are so bad, but Cara says these can be cut out with a 1-inch round punch. And we've got large tags. Again, ignore the misprinting. I've got to get that taken care of and reprint a lot of these. And then we have the mini tags. Then Cara has another kit to go along with all of this that is called rustic bingo cards. And this kit is, I believe, 5 pages. So you've got bingo cards, and I'm hoping I can tell. All right. It's going to be difficult to tell because my print copies are so bad. These are the regular bingo cards. And these are the grunge bingo cards where she's taken and grunged them up just a little bit. Not a lot, but just a little bit. So they're the same cards, just one is more clear, the other one is a little more grungy. And then you've got these. Again, that's the clear set, other than my horrible printing. This is a grunge set. And another grunge set. And then you've got mini bingo cards. I think these would be great for some paper clips and stuff. And the mini grunge bingo cards. Okay. So I'll have that listed below as well. Then, and this is she did this at Halloween, and it's one of my favorite new things that she's done. She did a kit with button cards, and I absolutely love these. And it's a 2-page kit, and it's called Rustic Buttons, and it may be Rustic Christmas Buttons, whatever it is. I will have the link directly to it below. So you've got this page where Cara has gone ahead and put buttons on the card for you. And then you've got this page where Cara's left the button cards blank so you can add real buttons to it if you want to. So I just think that's fabulous. So again, 3 different kits, 4 total, including the 5 days of Christmas kits. And I will have all those links below. Dearjuliejulie also has a kit that coordinates with her 5 days digital kits, and hers is called Red Christmas. Now, by the time I got to hers, I finally had realized that my printer was acting badly, so I don't have all of Julie's kit here. But I did get a few pages printed to give you an idea of the kit. So we got this. These are her large tags. And side-by-side journal pages. More side-by-side journal pages. She's done lots of red poinsettias and Santas. Here's another side-by-side. And then we've got this 6-page with enlarged postage stamps and the poinsettia and the Santa Clauses. And this one, my printer cut it off, but the Bank of Happiness, which I've gotten in one of her other kits, and I have enjoyed using that. And then this little card to from, and this little, looks like a card front with a Santa layered on top. And here they are in smaller with 8 to a page. Oh, that's not the same. It's got some of the same stuff on it, but sorry, I keep flipping back and forth. Another 8 to a page. And another one of her side-by-sides. So this is Red Christmas, and I will have the link to it below as well. So I've been through lots of papers here. I hope you join us with our 5 days of Christmas collaboration. And when it starts, we will be using hashtag 5daysXmas 2021. And be sure to check back on Tuesday, November 2nd, when we begin our collaboration videos. And at that point, I will have a list of all the people participating that have YouTube channels or Instagram pages. I will have them linked below as well. So until next time, I wish you all a wonderfully happy, crafty day, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.